Yo, welcome back guys. Today we're at a SupercarLunchDrive. Yeah.
Crazy.
So let's go. So here we got a GT3. Just a 720S here. Pre-sec A. Look at that. And it got a body kit on it. Front splitter. And it's a fender door. Look at that. The amounts of flies. It's crazy. So yeah. GT3. And then a fender door. Look at the interior. Pretty sick. Now we got a. Well, let's just start with it. Okay. M3 comp. We got a mirror. And then here we got an R8. Alright. And now we got a clean touch. Sick. Triple white as well, bro. Triple white. Triple white. STO. And matte black. Sick. Look at that. Look at that exhaust. Now we got a Huracan EFO. And then now we got an SF90s with bronze rim. 720S. Right. Huracan EFO's Roadster or Spider. And then 570S. And a G36. G63.
Oh, what's going on? Look at that. What type of car is that?
And now we've got a current GT. Pre-sec A. Yeah, pre-sec. Now we've got an SVJ. And then we got a Performante 600 LT. Look at that decal.
You should go through and count how many cars have radars.
Pretty sick.
Yeah, most of them do. He doesn't. So, yeah. What's his face different he does? Sergi.
Performante 600 LT. Pretty sick. And then now we got a 488 GTB. That's sick. Huracan EFO again. 720S. 488 Pista GT3 570S. You know what? I'm just gonna speed run this, bro. I got no storage left. Okay. Vantage F1. Nah, it's not F1. GTS. Okay, GT, my bad. And then a Aventador S. Huracan EFO. And now we got a Superleggera Gallardo. Porsche Turbo S. And another SVJ. Look at this color. So cool. Look at this color. And then we got a white SVJ here. R35. McLaren GT. R35 again. With a modified exhaust. And we got a Gallardo R8. Carrera S. GTS. R8 V8 version. And then another 570S Sterato. Very sick. Another one. Yeah. And then there's a GT2 RS. Yeah, there. Yeah, so basically that's it, guys. Well, yeah, we'll see you in the next video of car events like that. See ya.